They say if you go outside on a clear day and sing Smells Like Teen Spirit, the ghost of Nirvana will appear in the sky to show you that he's always been watching over us.
Hi. I want sloppy. Joe? No, I only eat vegetable like bread or gum. So forgo Joe? What Joe if no Joe? Me show. Sloppy jarn. It's just aren't me. It's just aren't me.
What's wrong, Jeremy?
I don't know. Do you think I'll ever be more than just a sloppy jarn guy?
Is that a real question? What's wrong with being sloppy jarn, Jeremy?
Would you want to be sloppy jarn, Jeremy?
No, because I'm guy that filmed sloppy jarn, Jeremy. It wouldn't make sense, and I told you to stop drawing me mental curveballs. You know how much I struggle with imagining alternate realities. Sloppy jarn saved us, Jeremy. From the top.
From the top.
Cut! Okay, we got some great stuff. Let's run through it one more time and take it from the top.
Okay.
Wow, I'm so excited. We're finally at the DaBaby concert. I've waited months for this. Yeah, me too, but isn't it kind of weird that you brought your 3-month-old infant to this rap concert? No, he's fine. He'll stay right here with me. Oh shit, he's coming on stage. Wait a minute. That ain't DaBaby, that's my baby.
Damn, shawty, are you Rally from Diary of a Wimpy Kid? Kazooie Mama. Said I wanna hear your voice, say my name, it sounds so sweet, coming from the lips of it.
Now if I fuck this model, and she just bleach her asshole, and I get bleach on my t-shirt, I'ma feel like an asshole. I was high when I met her.
I'm gonna rate my childhood red carpet outfits. Let's get into it, folks.
Starting off really strong here, we have Dobby the Elf doing an Abraham Lincoln cosplay, but he only shopped at All Saints. This one's gonna get a robotic arm emoji out of 10. Following that up, we have this fashion statement right here. Ladies, gentlemen, he is ready for Miami nightlife, but be warned, he's got this dime piece on his hip, so I'm gonna give this one my secret poop Instagram out of 10 because he is taken. Fuck.
Bringing back the deep V, the puckered lips, and is that a receding hairline? We have everybody's favorite moisturized bouncy ball. This one's gonna get 2 fingers up for me.
Topping off our Watch Mojo list at number 1 is Q from Impractical Jokers, bastard Newsy son Frankie Jonas. Like, comment, and subscribe for part 2. You've been watching Watch Mojo.
That my best friend, she a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in.
That's my best friend, she a real bad bitch, drive her own car. She don't need no lift.
Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends?
I am drowning, there is no sign of land. You are coming down with me, hand in unlovable hand, and I hope you die.
Men be like, damn girl, this dick got you shaking. First of all, I'm having a full-blown panic attack. So, jot that down.
Dude, what is that place?
Oh my god.
What?
It's Lowe's.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It's Lowe's!
Good night, bestie. Why don't you just go ahead and admit that you're guilty? Good night, bestie. Why don't you just go ahead and admit that you're guilty? Good night, bestie. Why don't you just go ahead and admit that you're guilty?
Cause what I got for you, I promise it's a killer. You'll be banging on my chest, bang, bang, gorilla.
You're insecure. Hey, we got the accent challenge. Shot with me, 30.110. Bing. Alright, number 1, we got beanie. Number 2, we got heat. Number 3, we got it. Number 4, we got beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got cheat.
But I watch your eyes as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than a blue sky. She's got you mesmerized while I die. Why would you ever kiss?
Just got my teeth cleaned at the dentist. Dentist said I ain't got no cavities. Thank you, Lord.